Hello all. Actually, from my students' request, today I am taking the topic how to solve simultaneous linear equation by elimination method. So, what are linear equations? Linear equations are in the form ax plus b equals c. When they are in two variables, we write ax plus by equal c. This is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. So, x and y are the variables, a and b are the constants. Even c is a constant. So, when we are solving simultaneous linear equation, simultaneous means at the same time when we get the value, we substitute the values, that equation, both the equation will satisfy the same value of x and y. Let us check. So, I'll give an example. 5x minus 3y equal 11. 4x minus 2y 10. Okay. So, these are two equations. 5x minus 3y equal 11. 4x minus 2y equal 10. Two linear equations in two variables. So, here x and y are the variables. 5 minus 3, 11, 4 minus 2, 10 are the constants. So, first we will put the equation as equation 1 and equation 2. So, let us solve by elimination method. What do you mean by elimination? Elimination, that means removing. Okay, or we are cancelling one of the terms, one of the variables. When we are cancelling, we say that method as elimination. There are different methods too, but this is very easy method. We can solve the x and y. So, here, first equation, we multiply by the second coefficient of x. So, what is the coefficient of x here? 4. In the second equation, coefficient of x is 4. So, first equation when we multiply, we get 5 times 4 are 20x minus 3 times 4 are 12y, 11 times 4 are 44. Now, the second equation we multiply by the first equation. In the first equation, coefficient of x is 5. So, multiply by 5. 5 times 4 are 20x minus 5 times 2 are 10y. Then 5 times 10 are 15. Now you can see two of them. See here. Here you can see the variables are x and y, and the coefficient of x here 20. That means in both the equations we got the same coefficients. When we are getting the same coefficient, we can easily cancel those terms. So 20x minus 20x, every term should be subtracted. So when you are subtracting 20x and 20x, x is eliminated. So what you will get here? Minus and minus changes to plus. So plus 10y minus 12y. So minus 12 and plus 10. Minus 12 and plus 10 is minus 2y equal, see here, minus 50 and 44. So here 50 minus 44 is 6. Minus 50 minus 44 is minus 6. Okay. So here, when both the sides minus, you can cancel. 2y equals 6. So y equals 6 divided by. So we got the value of y as 3. So one of the variables y, we got the value. So now we can substitute in any of this equation y value and we get the value of x. Let's check. 5x minus 3y equal 11. So 5x minus 3 times 3y is 3 times y. 3 times 3 equal 11. So 5x minus 9 equal 11. 5x equal, here solving a linear equation, when minus 9 is on this side, when it goes to the other side it will become plus 9. So 5x equal 20. 5x equal 20. That means 5 times x is 20. X equal 20 divided by 5. X equal 4. So what are the values of x and y? X equal 4 and y equal 3. So once we check this, okay, or substitute the values of x and y in any of the equations, we can verify that whether these are correct or not. So this method of finding the values of the unknown by using simultaneous linear equations, it means by elimination method, it's really easy and helpful. So x equal 4, y equal 3. In both the equation, x value will be 4 and y value will be 3. So if you have any more doubts, you can comment and solve some more problems based on simultaneous linear equations. So thank you all. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe it. Thank you all.